Hi guys, naglalakad kami. Look, yung kasama ko, mister ko, sabi ko, ilakad mo yung paa natin. At saka mainitan din tayo, no? Kasi maaraw, oh. So, and then Sabado ngayon. So, hi darling. Darling, you can love one. Box over here, basura. Slowly because it is. Ay, nako. So, uwi na kami. Kasi hindi kaya ni Tami papunta doon sa pinaka ano. Ganda itong bahay, ha? Oh, this just leaves. You have to clean it, right? Should be have string in there. Ganda ng bahay nito, oh. Dito sa kabila ba maganda? Look, tignan yan. Maganda. Hi, baby. Look, what kind of dog is that? Tiny. Hello. Look at that.
I know that. I do.
Hi, puppy.
Put that electric fence on you, huh?
Look at that. Hi, puppy. Yeah. Ito yung ano, bahay ng kapitbahay. Bahay ng kapitbahay namin ito dito. And then sa amin yung next. Diba ang ano, meron din kaming kapitbahay. Malapit din yung bahay nila sa amin. Look, tingnan nyo. Yung bahay nila, malaki din siya. Malaki. And yan sa amin nang doon. Oh. Yeah, sometimes they separate two dogs. You know, like ito yung bahay nila. Yung bahay namin doon. Tara. Ito yung driveway namin. Nas mahaba. Galing doon, patungo dito, ganun. And, yan. Kaya nakakapagod pag may snow. Kasi kailangan talaga siyang i-plow. Ganito pag yung weather, wala nang dahon. Come on right here. Han, look at this bird food, Han. It's very fast. You know what happened? The squirrel, Han. Ang bilis ng squirrel talaga. Sila talaga kumakain. They don't like this food.
I don't like it either.
Huh?
I don't like it either.
No, the bird doesn't like it.
No, I think it's crappy food.
You think?
Yep.
How do you know? Ay, ang sarap mag-grill, oy. Grilling. Come on, good girl. Pizza. The wind is really strong. Because it is the hapon.
You must just order something.
Thank you for spoiling your wife.
Yeah.
Thank you. You spoiled me, love.
It's okay. I'm still surprised you didn't order like a salmon and steak or something.
Salmon and steak.
Yeah.
I'm so thankful, love. You're so good to me. Even sometimes I yell at you. But this is who I am, love.
Sometimes.
But this is who I am, love. It's not yelling. It's about me have a loud voice. This is my loud voice. It's no yelling at all. It's not yelling. It's just my nature. I get this from the monkey in the Philippine mountain.
they screech monkeys?
I love you.
I love you too.
I realize you have muscle.
We're just gonna have half a cup of coffee, then we can go.
Okay, then we can go. Okay. Hello guys, andito na kami guys, naghihintay lang kami. Wala pa daw, hindi pa daw ready yung order namin. So kaya dito lang kami, naghintay lang kasi. So grabe naman, Saturday pala ngayon guys. Grabe, ang daming tao pala. Hindi na nga ako nagbihis dito guys kasi hindi na ako nagbihis kasi hello, it smells so good, honey.
What's that?
The food. I can smell. He is here. He got his order. He got his order. Look at him. Yan guys, pauwi na kami. Ang daming sasakyan. Traffic naman dito. Hindi man, this is the kind of traffic but still moving, right, love? Still moving. Yan, sunsets na. Pawala na yung araw. Paggabi na. Oh my goodness, these people. Okay then, I guess. Dito na guys, ang ating pagkain. And meron, kaunti lang yung rice. Kawawa man yung rice, yung rice. And then, yung bread nila. And of course, meron ditong mga toppings, different kind of whatever. And that. I-move natin itong ating mga bulaklakins. The rolls is hot. So yun. And Tommy gets steak and he has that pork with me. He's gonna try. He love ribs. Tommy love ribs.
Finish your food.
It's Tommy's steak. What kind of steak is this, love?
Come on, big girl. Finish your food. Come on.
Finish it, good girl. Nahihilo na ako, guys. I'm dizzy, han. So we're going to try this. Ito cheese with bacon, honey.
Yep.
And then,
beef steak, honey.
And Tommy gonna have this fries because I'm gonna have rice. You know me. Rice is life. Rice is life. Ito siya, guys. I-try natin kasi alam na this. There is bacon and cheese.
Mashed potato.
Guys, hala. Sobrang tender. Uy. It's smoky, han. It's smoky.
Smoky?
They're good. Ang daming tao, guys. That's why people love it there now. Because it is very smoky, love, here. Harap. Napakalambot. Hala, nahulog, oh. Oh, they are so tender. Oh my God. Look. Nahuhulog lang sila. Let me try the rice. Meron sila ding rice, guys. They have the rice. Yung mga ano nila. Ang sarap ng ano pala. Texas Roadhouse. The rice is good, love. Ann.
I don't even know what this stuff is.
I don't know. You should try it. For dipping for your
I
steak.
think this is for the potatoes.
Well, that's yours.
This the bacon and cheese.
Oh my God, guys. How's your steak? Yummy. May magsasabi naman, yung content mo, palagi ka lang ng kain. Puro ka lang kain. What can I tell ya? Hindi naman ako nanghingi ng pagkain, no? Ito yun, asawa ko, pinakain ako.
Spoiled?
I'm a spoiled wife. Sarap niya, guys. Even the rice is really tasty. Kahit yung rice, sobrang sarap niya. Do you want some rice, love? Oh, may ano pala si Tommy, potato.
You want some mashed potato?
No.
Good.
This is the first time nag-order kami sa labas that nag-enjoy si Tommy. Tommy enjoyed. Because usually, when he ordered like Colombian restaurant, guys, I'm not saying they're bad, but I love their fish. When Tommy ordered something over there, the steak is so tiny. He paid a lot of money and it's dried out. Right, love? And he's not happy. This is the first time that the order that we have is like, wow, it's a lot. And it's so good. May kasabihan. Enjoy spend money, but I don't believe that. Spend money even you don't have money. Enjoy what you eat. You know, kung ano yung kinakain mo, enjoy mo, and then wag mo pagdamutan yung sarili mo sa pagkain. Totoo man yun, pero pag wala ka, wala talaga, no? Ano ba yan?